In today's story, Naty feeds a cow, smells some stinky poop, and pets a fluffy sheep. It's a fun adventure on the farm.
It's Naty's world!
And here come Naty's friends. Let's hop on board for a wild ride with Naty and her friends Mimi, Bobby, and Dodo. Check out those totally breathtaking snowy peaks. They're like giant scoops of vanilla ice cream.
Amazing!
Here at the fun farm. Here at the fun farm. Here at the fun
Naty
farm.
cannot wait to meet the cute animals. But first, look at this beautiful waterfall. Wow, so high.
Here at the fun farm, we got
Wow.
lots of fun. We got animals everywhere. Just look around for some. We got chickens clucking over here. We got cows mooing over there. Look at the horses neighing over there. Here at the fun farm, we got lots of fun. Fun farm. Fun farm. Fun farm. We got lots of fun. Yeah! Here at the fun farm, we got lots of fun. We got animals everywhere. Just look around for some. We got cows running over here. We got dogs barking over there. Look at the sheep buying over there. Here at the fun farm, we got lots of fun. Fun farm, fun farm. Fun farm, we got lots of fun. Yeah. Fun we got lots of fun. Go to the farm.
Bye-bye! See you next time! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember that we love you!